look at. She's like, I've been watching you guys all this time. Ugh, what is that, Mama?
Like, you don't like it?
You better eat it.
Sweet potato.
You got me eating some old folk food. I'm telling you, you got me eating some old folk food.
Come on, let's try some more.
Oh, it didn't keep her from not.
Just how?
She knows how to eat.
Some more? Some more?
And is someone knocking?
No, that's RJ.
Oh. What do you think, Ava?
You like it? Is it good? Mm-hmm.
She's like, I need something to chase it down with now.
It's too much.
Oh my God. She's like a little bird. Look at her. Aww.
You're done.